All right, so have you ever wondered how far a 55-year-old, 265-pound man can ride a bike in 24 hours? Well, hey, you're in luck. I'm here to answer that question for you. On June 4th in Forest Park in beautiful St. Louis, I am going to ride from midnight, I guess that would be what, June 3rd?
June 3rd.
To midnight June 4th, all day Friday, to answer that question and also to raise money for a very good cause, the eradication of polio. The world is so close to having it eradicated, but it is a very challenging endeavor to finish up. The last is always the hardest, and the best way we can do is to support the people who are actually the frontline people with the funding and the technology and everything they need to make this happen. It's only been done once before. Smallpox is the only other thing we've ever eradicated. Let's make polio extinct, because not all extinctions are bad. And that's it. Come to my website and donate, and we'll do this together.